Okay, so we've done most of the overlocking now. So we're just going to do the top stitching here quickly for all the panels, and then I think we can attach we need to close the side panels and then the ribbing. We're going to do the ribbing. It's just the top stitch that we have to do now quickly for all the panels. It goes fairly quick. Make sure everything is nice and flat when we finish. Normally I just push all the panels through, but we're working with some white here, and I'm not sure how clean everything is at the back. So when it drops there at the back, I don't want the panels to be dirty. So everything looks nice. It's nice and flat. So I'm going to do the rest of them quickly. And then we'll look at all the panels when they've lying flat and finished again.